What changes can positivity bring in your life? How to make goals happen. Being optimistic goes a long way. It is an essential quality for success and happiness at the same time. Positivity makes you energetic. It helps you to handle various challenges in life with confidence. In this video, we will discuss the power of positivity. Positive people are usually confident about their future and readily find silver linings in a bad situation. Hi, welcome back to our channel, The LifeHack Show. Today, we will share what changes positivity brings to you and how optimism can help you grow in life. By the end of this video, you will become more confident in life and your optimism will also flow to your circles. Keep watching the video till the end. Optimism builds mental strength and makes us more positive in life. It becomes easier to face difficulties when we are hopeful because our mindset remains positive even when the outcome is not excellent. On a subconscious level, we realize that our thoughts determine how we feel. A positive attitude imparts hope and encouragement, which is necessary at all times. There are so many things that get affected by the change in our attitude. It becomes easier to stay motivated. Goals seem achievable when there's more positivity in life. Optimism is a belief that good things will happen. 1. What is optimism, and how does it make us happy? Optimists are people who believe that the best is yet to come. They always have high hopes for an event or situation. Optimism has been linked with happiness because it makes us feel good about ourselves. Optimism is the key to success. You always have a positive approach towards life, whereas pessimists are often doubtful, which confuses them. Being optimistic helps you to stay motivated. It will make you feel better about yourself and your abilities, which helps with a performance at work or school. It makes us more confident when performing tasks that require leadership qualities. A positive attitude can change your life. A lackadaisical outlook on the world may be okay for some, but not those with high expectations looking to make their mark in this competitive society. 2. How to be positive in difficult times. Positivity is a potent tool, and it is something that we can harness to bring happiness into our lives. It does not matter what kind of situation we are in, whether good or bad. Optimism will help you overcome them with ease. To become an optimistic person, you need the right attitude. Your first step is on your own. Take control and decide what outlook will allow for a positive view in every aspect of life. Optimism is a necessary trait for success, and if you're looking to be successful, your words must reflect this. It can often feel like the world doesn't want us to succeed, but there are ways to put things into perspective so they don't seem bad. You can teach yourself to think positively and focus on the positive aspects of every situation. There are a lot of things in this world that don't necessarily have to do with us. We can only control our attitude and how we feel, which means it's essential for each person, not just an average Joe or Jane, but everyone out there reading these words right now, to get some positive vibes. If you are looking for a helping hand to achieve your goals, we got you covered with Check Our Make It Happen action program. In this, you will learn about the success formula top achievers use. The link is in the description. 3. The power of being optimistic at work. When you are at work, there might be some days when you feel down, making you lose your focus. Optimism is the belief that bad things will get better. It's also essential to have a positive outlook on life, and you can do this by being approachable with others or having empathy for their problems. You don't need any skills because these attitudes are natural. If you want to be successful, your outlook on life must be positive. No one wants someone who thinks this isn't going well or becomes upset with every bit of setback. They need a partner in crime. Your positive mindset is bound to rub on others around you, which will further help everyone in the team accomplish their individual goals. Nothing is impossible. There are very few situations where you may end up failing in your task or project. Therefore, if that thought has crossed your mind, then it's time for you to think twice, because it will ultimately prove to be a deterrent to your performance. 4. Why you should be optimistic about your career prospects. If you believe that your current position is just temporary, and there's something better waiting for you in the future, then it will help you to stay positive and keep pushing yourself harder. Optimism is the belief that something good will happen despite the difficulty. Optimists have high self-esteem and are more likely to succeed because they don't let failures get them down. In contrast, pessimists tend to see difficulties as obstacles and seek out negative information about themselves or their situations before it's too late. It doesn't matter whether your role involves a desk job or labor work. If you continue to think optimistically, then there are more chances for you to excel at work. The importance of staying positive is more than you think. A lot has been said about the power and value in always seeing things positively, but it's worth mentioning that this doesn't just apply when there are good moments. It can help make your entire day better. Studies have shown that people who adopt a perspective aligned with positivity tend to physically experience less pain, such as limiting lower back problems. Anxiety levels are going down due mainly to how they feel having dealt successfully. Almost everything in your life happens because of a chain of events, and negative thoughts start taking over your mind. Try to stay grounded and take things one step at a time. Somehow, some way luck will be on your side. Life will throw a lot of obstacles in your way, and you cannot escape them. You have to give it time. But how you choose to deal with these problems is what makes all the difference. 5. The importance of staying hopeful for the future. Optimism is the biggest confidence booster, and it gives you hope for a better tomorrow. It will help you move ahead in life, striving to achieve your goals one step at a time. It can be hard not to get frustrated and angry when you're trying so hard. But you must stay positive, because if your emotions take control, they might goad you into harmful behaviors such as crime or violence, which could cost innocent lives. Millions of people go through challenging times every day, but that doesn't mean they cannot hope for their future. All they need is a change in their approach and a positive mindset to help them rise above their circumstances. Every person faces problems, and the path to success is never an easy one. But at the end of it all, it is your attitude towards life that will make you realize whether it has been worth living or not. To make your life even more progressive and non-dithering, take a look at our Dreamer's Guide. LifeHack Dreamer's Guide is a foolproof handbook on how you can beat your doom and gloom and get more enthusiastic about your life goals. Download it from the link provided in the description. There are many reasons why positivity is something that every one of us should teach in our lives, especially in this age where stress has become an inseparable part of daily life. If you're optimistic about your future, then there's nothing that can stop you from achieving what you want in life. It is this positivity and optimism that will help you stay motivated and keep pushing yourself every day. Staying positive is an integral part of life. It will help you feel better and enjoy your day more. We need to embrace the little details for our whole lives not to be marred by negativity. So why give up now? There are plenty of opportunities out there where positivity can lead. Look at all these people who have thrived because they remained happy no matter what was happening around them. Barack Obama, Mother Teresa, Aung San Suu Kyi. The list goes on forever. We should take notice of their stories instead of letting lousy behavior bring us down too far as well. If you have found our video helpful and relatable, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more tips and tricks to become happier in life. In the comments section below, let us know how optimism has helped you in your life and how you managed to turn negative thoughts into productivity. Don't forget to connect with us on our social media handles. The links are mentioned below in the description box. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye, and keep maintaining your positivity.